everybody! Today I'm doing another unboxing video because I like doing these. I like digging through jewelry. Another small one. So let's just open it and see what I got. So this is the small bag full of the jewelry I bought. Now to unbag it piece by piece. So the first thing is this gold-colored eagle bracelet. It has a hinge on the side to open and close it. No marks. And I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. Next is this silver-colored peacock pendant. It doesn't appear to be missing any stones, and I kind of like him. Next we have this pair of multicolored feather earrings on little silver-colored hoops. All of the feathers are in very good condition, not perfect, but very good. Another pair of dangly feather earrings. These are in okay condition. This bronze-colored bird, not missing any stones. These also have stones, and all of them. And it has a little lobster clasp at the back. Another pair of earrings, these peacocks, and no real feathers. Another peacock pendant. This one on a long chain that's even adjustable. A very similar peacock pendant on a long chain, but this one has a tag. Don't know if you can read it, ALDO. The final peacock-shaped pendant, this one also on a chain, this one with no tag, but it's a nice bronze color. And finally, the last piece of bird jewelry in this box was this little ring, shape of a peacock. So this was everything that came in this box. Not much, but it's a lot of pretty bird stuff, so goodbye everybody.